Welcome back to Fishing with Nick. So it's nearing Christmas, and thought I'd just give you guys an update on what's been happening over the last couple of weeks. So recently I picked up a nice little tinny, and yep, it's a nice little 10-foot, picked up off Facebook for $600. So I managed to get a motor a little bit later, but we'll get onto that. This boat's good. So I've got a couple of weld marks, but that's what you expect from a second-hand boat. And yeah, that's good. She'll do well down the beach. That's all she's going to be used for. But yeah, we'll flip her over and we'll show you the other side. This is what she looks like on the inside, guys. So carpeted seats, 2 rod holders up the back. Got a bung down there somewhere. 2 more rod holders, 2 nice Rolex. We got a nice compartment up the front where my bag will go, and we've got many places around here just for where some mounts where the GoPro can go. But yep, that's basically the boat. She'll be we'll be getting her out soon, and yep, there'll be quite a few videos in the future with this whole thing. But yep, now we'll move on to the motor. Alright guys, so this is the motor. It's a Suzuki 2 horsepower. Got it off the website Fishtaz, and great little website there. Picked this up for $250. It's not like your usual Tillist is. It's got a little speedo thing up here where you control your speed. It's a bit different, but we'll get on to how to use it soon. So yeah, we'll run her up and show you just how she moves. The first thing you got to do is pull the fuel gauge thingy to open this up so the fuel can get out. Then you put the choke on, put her into there. What you got to do. Alright, we'll slowly get her up a bit more. And that's the motor. When you're done, tighten this up and close that. So that's basically that. We're getting her out soon, so be sure to watch a couple of videos on her. That's just an update for now. Get back to something which I'm pretty sure will be a diving video with Will. So yep, see you guys soon.